playing Teardown. Fun fact. Train. Gracious, that was unexpected. I'm just gonna do this for This is why you got to go under the thing. I'm crouching so I don't get obliterated by the train now. Not the train. Safe. Oh, never mind. It's a good idea, but go through. It's fun, don't worry. I'm sorry for not putting any epilepsy warning, but epilepsy warning. So skip 10 second lift. It's fine. Get in there. What the? Oh. Yep. Yeah, enough of that. That's not what happened, but oh yes! First, I will attach. But nothing will work on this day. I will make it work. Yeah, you might want to skip 10 seconds or more into the video because this give up on this about like this balloon thing. So sit back. You're gonna watch me try to increase the balloon lift for like 1 minute, or you can skip ahead. Well, I guess this video is it's basically enough voice so you to create a very good deepfake of me, which I would rather you not do. It's a very fun fact. Oh, we're almost done increasing, excuse me, the lift of the balloon. Looks like, yeah, I think that all of that was for nothing. Sorry. Maybe if I will. Wait, that is weird. Oh, well that isn't, ooh, that has some effect on it. Alright, time to spin the balloon. Yeah. There. That does not. What's wrong with her? He's okay. Alright. Alright, no, don't know. Go there. Alrighty. Okay. That was unexpected. Where did it go? It's not. Okay guys, so today we're going to, and yes, I might have a couple mobs. Wait, ignition model? Oh! What the? No, it's a disappearing train. A snake. This might have been a bad idea. Hello, buddy. Yeah. Are you gonna harm me? Does it better not? Look at me. What do you want? He's okay. He's indestructible. No. You are not. Well, that's just the game glitching. Because it does not like that. Hello. Torso. Hard. No, how did he? How is it possible? Or you must be free. actually put any work into this video. Why did I just change my voice? I don't know. There. I'm sorry, but this is quite unreasonable. What the? It's quite unreasonable. That was a road snake, isn't that right, dog? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? I'll take that as a yes. Now, go catch your bone. Get your bone! Where's the bone? Get the bone and give it to me. You don't know what to... Get the bone. It's your bone. Go get it. Go get the bone. It's your phone. Like, yeah, he likes to... Did you just break your phone? He broke his phone. Bad dog. Bad dog. You get slapped. He's okay though. Oh, there we go. Oh! Yeah. There we go. Different map. I know this might not be the best video I've made, but look, I am not having a great time over where I am right now. Fun fact, this dog is very strong. Look at that. He even made a heart for me. Let's go. Where did it go? Oh no. Okay. Step 1. Done. That was it. Yeah, that was happy. That's quite interesting. That's quite interesting. Oh, watch them drift off into... Oh, that is... Probably can't see that. Maybe. What the heck? Anyway. Not unexpected, is it? That was very unexpected. This is going to be a fast. this is... Yeah. Yep. Remove this once and for all. Yeah. Well, and that's going down. So oakley dokley. Getting pretty close to the end of the video. And I like it. For me, like a couple minutes in the future would know. I'm gonna have to. There we go. Think. Ooh. Uh-oh. Eat the roof. Eat the roof. Eat the roof. Oh, that was a tasty feast, wasn't it? Okay. So, slimes. I don't want to have to open the store. Thank you. Just bring out my clothes for me. On my floor. Thankfully I stopped. No! No, what are you... No! Why are you eating the... Why are you eating the glass? No, don't do it. Don't do it. No! No, don't. That's why I'm... Slime! They're eating the couch! They are eating my couch. They are... No. They are eating everything. That's why they're called hungry slimes, I guess. Oh my god! That wasn't even mine. It was in my way anyway. What? Hey, no. What is this dog doing? Oh wait, it's my dog. Ew, everywhere. Wait. Yeah, he's just having a little rest, by the way. Hunger slime. Eat this. I don't like it. I'm not. I'll be able to see this. Oh, shit. Someone especially this one. It's still fine. No. That's gotta be fine. Now, hungry slimes, you're not the most useful. But I need you to start with, this seems like a fish truck, but something smells fishy. I think someone would be kidnapped in this. So, eat the truck. Ooh, yeah. It's doing it. That's going on. Eat the door. A bit too far, but off we go. What are you doing? No! What are you doing? No! Ow! Oh no, trapped in here. Wasted. Wow, I could pay hundreds of dollars for something like this. Hungry slimes. I regret getting these. They are used for one thing, but not for another. I can't use them for some fun, though. Destroy some stuff. as long as they are good at flying, then this will be fun. Ooh, that was amazing looking. Let's see if the slime eat more. That is beautiful. My. That is amazing looking. It's eating a bridge. That's not a bridge. But that's not a bridge. That's not a bridge, guys. It's what is it? I'm gonna go home now. Oh my. I'm just gonna go home now. Oh, reality seems a bit weird because everything is lagging. Oh look, the video is ending. Goodbye.